So hi guys, welcome to my video. This video is going to be a Target lookbook. I shop at Target. I love Target, but majority of these pieces are also from Janee Naylor's collection. If you follow my vlog channel, you will see when she just dropped them. I picked them up, went to the store in a hurry. But I also want to style other everyday pieces that you can get at Target also. But this is going to be a Target lookbook. I will say I don't do a lot of lookbooks anymore because, quite frankly, I go to school, I'm a mom. I don't make content just to get clothes and then to bring them back. Everything you guys see me showcase here is stuff that I actually wear, stuff that is actually going to stay in my closet. And since last year, I have been doing quality over quantity. So let's get into the video. I'm gonna show you how I style everything. Let's get into it. The glasses are Lookbook Spotlight. The top is Vivienne Westwood. The pants is Janee Naylor's. The bag is Coach. It is the wristlet. The bag is Coach Tabby wristlet. I can do it crossbody or bring it as a wristlet. The jewelry, this is from black owned brand, is Jumba brand. The necklace is also from a black owned brand. On Instagram is where I got it. So
this is not the universe. Please make some noise. Give me a sign. This can't be life if there's a point.
if you missed out on these pants, I feel sorry for you because these eat. These are Lookbook's. The bag is JWP. This bag has been trending since last year. The top is AliExpress. I've had this for years, okay? Years. The pants are Target. These are from A New Day. These are linen pants. These are some of my favorite pants and shorts. They come in shorts version, especially during the summertime. They are super cool, super lightweight. Love the quality. I've had some in my closet since 2 years ago, the shorts version, and they still hold up strong. So I decided to try the linen pants version out this summer, and I love it. My sandals are from Hermes, and this is what the look is giving. Rich girl, look, y'all said she stressed me out, but I hope it. As if our man say, broke shop it out.
Losing love, repeating pain. It's all the same. I hate this place. Stuck in this paradise. Don't believe in paradise. This must be when hell is like this. Got to be more, got to be more. Sick of this mind, intrusive thoughts.
And the shorts are in a size 12 if you want to know my reference. I'm 5'6". I weigh around 190 right now, maybe 195, and a size 12 fits me great. So I'm not quite sure with the glasses. I feel like this is too much orange. This is Lookbook, and then this is from Amazon. I feel like it gives it a little bit more of a sporty feel. Can dig that. So the glasses are from Amazon. The top is from AliExpress. I've had this for years. It's definitely give JPG without JP price point. The pants are from Target, Janee Naylor, in the orangey red version. The bag is JWP. Love them, love them, love them. I'm gonna go all the way out so you can see the full fit.
No one is on, it's advertised. There's got to be more. Been here before. Life's better on Saturn. Got to break this pattern. Floating away. Find something worth saving. It's all for the taking. I always say, all be better on Saturn.
is the next outfit. The stretchy waistband in the back is definitely saving your girl. I have gained, put back on a few poundage. Let's come closer. This is how it looks. It's even cutesy, right? Very demi-on, very sexy. So this ring is from Amazon. Same jewelry as before, Jama brand. This is Kate Spade. Finally put on my ring because I feel like it was clashing with my outfits. The earrings are from AliExpress. I've had them for years. The bag is a new bag that I got for my birthday. Shout out to whoever sent me, I think $100 or $50. I bought this bag from a black owned, woman owned brand. I found it on TikTok and it's called Revel. I'll link it below. The jumpsuit is from Target, from A New Day again.
Comments made me real. How am I still here? This seems so unfair. I could be wrong, though. If there's a point to being good, then where's my reward? The good die young and poor. I gave it all I could. Stuck in a separate dome. All I see is terrible, making us.
I didn't talk about my shoes. My shoes are from Shein. I got these shoes early spring and I've been wearing the hell out of them. Love them. There's some mule flats. The glasses are from Amazon. The top is Janee Naylor. The shorts are from Express. I didn't like the Janee Naylor shorts. For me personally, they weren't my style, weren't my jam. They were a little bit too cheeky. And for every day, I don't like cheeky shorts. So I got these from Express. I think they're having a sale. A lot of Express physical stores are closing. So if you want to get these, I would suggest you go in store. Milani, if you guys hear a dog, it's Milani and this dog.
And I brought it today.
Oh, and I have some Hermes sandals and my Teflon bag.
And I got some milk for the doggy too.
I did this similar outfit for Kai's birthday. I'll insert pictures. My hair was just a little bit different. Janee Naylor dress. I do wish it was hemmed a little bit longer. That's my only qualms with this dress, but outside of that, it fits beautifully. I got this in a medium. Lorve Sunny JWP bag, and my shoes are from Public Desire. So the glasses are from Amazon. The dress is Janee Naylor's. I got this in a medium. I will say I like the hemming on this dress a little bit better. The hemming is a little bit longer, so I feel like it allows me to wear flats and heels, and they both look good. I love how long the sleeves are. I don't know, maybe I have longer limbs than I be thinking, or because I'm only 5'6", I be thinking I'm really short. But I have super long limbs. I have long arms and long legs, short torso, but that's that. So the glasses are Amazon, dress Janee Naylor's. The shoes are also Amazon. Is these one ballet flats. My bag is Guess. I absolutely love this bag. This is giving Dior saddle without Dior saddle money. Yeah, so yeah. And the only thing I have on is a black bra and some black underwear. Because this is a lace detailing. I absolutely love it. So this is the final look. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And I'll see you in the next video. Deuces.
Mom, I love your outfit.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
My outfits are not raising my children. I am. Kudos to me.